I received this rechargeable electric bottle brush as a gift, and as soon as I saw how it worked, I was excited to try it out because washing bottles by hand is one of the most repetitive little chores that adds up quickly. Right out of the box, I really like the sea blue color and how compact everything is. The brush also comes with its own stand, so when you're finished using it, you have a designated place to keep it instead of just laying a wet bottle brush next to the sink. Instead of having to twist and scrub the brush around inside the bottle yourself, the brush head spins 360 degrees to do a lot of that work for you. The brush itself is silicone, which I really like for something I'm using to clean bottles. The flexible bristles can move around inside the bottle and get along the sides and bottom, while spinning motion helps scrub everything. It's also rechargeable, so you don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. Once it's charged, it's completely cordless while you're using it, which makes it really convenient to keep right by the sink. For my first test, I went ahead and used it to wash a bottle. I added my soap and water like I normally would and let the electric brush do the scrubbing. I was actually really impressed with how easy it was to use. You can move the brush around inside the bottle while it's spinning, and it takes a lot less effort than manually twisting a traditional bottle brush back and forth. I also like that it's not just limited to baby bottles. The size and shape makes it useful for other smaller containers that can be annoying to clean by hand, and it can also be used with breast pump parts and other items depending on what you need to wash. Once I was finished, I rinsed everything off and put the brush right back onto its stand. I really appreciate having the stand because it helps keep the brush upright and gives it its own spot between uses. Overall, I think this is such a convenient little upgrade from a traditional bottle brush. The 360-degree spinning brush does a lot of the scrubbing for you. The silicone design is easy to rinse off, and I love that it's rechargeable and comes with its own stand. After actually washing a bottle with it, I can definitely see myself reaching for this instead of a regular bottle brush.